What if Volvo built the world's most futuristic luxury motorhome? Wait until you see every angle of this incredible concept. The bold front fascia features a crystal-inspired geometric design, ultra-slim LED headlights, a massive panoramic windshield, and a premium Volvo-style grille that creates an unforgettable first impression. From this angle, the sharp body lines, aerodynamic profile, and luxury alloy wheels combine to create a modern masterpiece that looks ready for the future. The long body design offers maximum interior space with sleek tinted windows, futuristic faceted panels, and a clean luxury finish that stands out from every other motorhome. The rear quarter showcases the unique multi-wheel setup, sculpted bodywork, and a futuristic design that gives this luxury RV an unmistakable road presence. At the back, the vertical LED taillights and bold, geometric styling complete the futuristic look while maintaining a premium, luxury appearance. From above, the streamlined roof design is perfect for panoramic skylights, solar panels, roof storage, and advanced outdoor travel features. Inside the cockpit, you'll find a fully digital dashboard, panoramic driving visibility, premium captain seats, intelligent controls, and a next-generation luxury driving experience. The spacious lounge features luxury leather seating, ambient LED lighting, a modern entertainment system, and premium finishes designed for ultimate comfort. The private bedroom includes a king-size bed, elegant storage, soft ambient lighting, and a relaxing atmosphere that feels like a five-star hotel. The luxury kitchen offers modern cabinets, premium appliances, a spacious countertop, and everything needed for comfortable long-distance travel. The stylish bathroom includes a glass shower, modern vanity, premium fixtures, and a clean contemporary design for maximum comfort on the road. Would you drive this futuristic Volvo luxury motorhome across America? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible RV concepts.